Hi there, my name is Latif. Welcome to my channel, Engineer Ads. In this video tutorial series on Google AdWords for Beginner. If you are looking to grow your business and reach a new customer, then AdWords is a powerful tool that can help. AdWords is a Google advertising platform which allows you to create and display ads to users who are searching for a specific keyword related to your business. With AdWords, you can reach a potential customer in the right place and at the right time, increasing the chance that they will take action and engage with your brand. In this video tutorial series, we'll take you through all the steps you need to get started with AdWords, from setting up your account to creating and optimizing your ad. You will learn about the various steps of ad you can create, including search ad and display ad, as well as how to target your ads to reach the right audience. We also cover important concepts like bidding and budgeting, and show you how to track and analyze your performance to make data-driven decisions. So, whether you are a complete beginner to AdWords or just looking to brush up your skill, this video tutorial series is the perfect resource for you. By the end of this series, you will have a solid understanding of how AdWords works and how to create effective campaigns that will grow your business and reach a new customer. So, relax and enjoy this video tutorial. Okay, we are started to learn about Google Ads. Here are step-by-step guide to setting up a Google Ads campaign. There is 9 steps to setting up a Google Ads campaign. First, create a Google Ads account. If you don't already have a Google Ads account, start by creating one. You can do this by visiting the Google Ads website and clicking the Sign Up Now button. And the second, define your campaign objective. Determine what you want to achieve with your Google Ads campaign. Do you want to drive more traffic to your website, generate more leads, or increase sales? This will help you determine the type of campaign you should create. And the third, choose your target audience. Decide who you want to target with your ads. You can target based on a factor such as demographic, interest, location, gender, and keyword. And fourth, set your budget. Decide how much you want to spend on your Google Ads campaign. You can set a daily budget or a total budget for the duration of your campaign. The fifth, create ad group. Ad group are collection of ads that share a common theme. Within each ad group, you can create multiple ads to test and see which one performs best. The sixth, write and design your ad. Create compelling ad copy and design eye-catching ad visual. Make sure your ads are relevant to your target audience and aligns with your campaign objective. 7. Choose your keyword. Keywords are the word or phrase people use to search for products or services like yours. Choose keywords that are relevant to your business and target audience. 8. Choose your targeting method. Select the targeting methods you want to use for your campaign. You can target based on your factor such as location, language, device, and audience. And 9. Launch your campaign. After you have completed this step, you are ready to launch your Google Ads campaign. Keep an eye on your campaign, perform and make adjustments as needed to optimize your result. This is all a general guide, and the specific step to set up a campaign can vary depending on your specific goal and the feature you want to use. Okay, for the step 1, you can type on your browser adsgoogle.com. If you already your Gmail account, you can sign in or get started. Okay, click get started. Click here a new Google Ads account. First, we are going to click on switch to expert mode. After you see this screen on your Chrome, click to switch to expert mode. Click here. By choosing switch to expert mode in a Google Ad campaign, allow you to access advanced feature and customization options that are not available in the standard mode. In expert mode, you have more control over your campaign settings, such as the ability to create custom audience, bid strategy, and ad placement. By choosing expert mode, you can also access detailed reporting and perform metrics that can help you make optimization to improve a result. On the other hand, if you don't choose expert mode, you will be limited to more simplified version of Google Ads with fewer customization options. You may still be able to achieve your goal with a standard campaign, but you may have a limited control over the detail of your campaign and limited access to perform metrics. Ultimately, whether you choose expert mode or not will depend on your level of experience with Google Ads and your goal for your campaign. Click skip campaign creation. Confirm your business information, your billing country, For example, you can use click, England or United States. For example, you click United States and change to the US dollar. You click here and submit. Okay, congratulations, you are all done and you can explore your account here. This interface, a new interface of Google Ads or Google AdWords 2023. Click new campaign. Okay, it's brand new in Google Ads. If you have already couple campaign, you are going to have to come down here and then you click or you hit the big blue plus sign, click and then hit a new campaign. First thing, we have to determine with a new search campaign is what is our objective. Our objective going to be, and that's really unique to every single campaign. Campaign objective is Google Ads are the specific goal you want to achieve with your advertising campaign. There are several different campaign objectives available, including sales. Sales, if your primary goal is to drive sales through your business, you can choose this sales campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach people who are likely to make a purchase, and it can be a good choice if you have all well established website and clear sales funnel. Leads. If you are looking to generate lead for your business, you can choose the leads campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach people who are interested in your product or services and may be more likely to fill out a form or make an inquiry. Website traffic. If you want to drive more traffic to your website, you can choose the web traffic campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach a wide audience and increase awareness of your brand. It can be a good choice if you are looking to build brand recognition and get more people to your website. Product and brand consideration. If your goal is to increase awareness and consideration of your product and brand, you can choose the product and brand consideration campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach people who are researching product like yours and may be more likely to consider your brand in the future. Brand awareness and reach. If your goal is to increase brand awareness and reach a wide audience, you can choose the brand awareness and reach campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach a large audience and increasing awareness of your brand, regardless of whether they are likely to make a purchase or not. Application promotion. If you are looking to promote your mobile application, you can choose the application promotion campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach people who are likely to download and use your application, and it can be a good choice if you are looking to increase application install and engagement. Local store visit and promotion. If you have a brick or like a mortar business and you are looking to drive foot traffic to your store, you can choose the local store visit campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach people who are near you, near your store, and may be more likely to visit in person, especially if you have a food store. H. Create a campaign without walled gardens. If you don't want to use the preset campaign objective in Google Ads, like this one, you can choose to create a campaign without walled gardens. In this case, you have more freedom to set up your own goal and customize your campaign setting. But you might also need to have a more advanced understanding of the platform to get the result you want. These are just a few of a campaign objective available in Google Ads. When selecting your campaign objective, it's important to choose one that aligns with your overall marketing goal and the type of advertising you want to do. By choosing the right objective, you can ensure that your campaign is set up to achieve the result that you want. Regardless of this campaign objective you choose, it's important to track and analyze your result to see what is working and what is not. You can then make adjustment and optimization to improve your result over time. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to choose create campaign without walled gardens because we can control overall the campaign step. Okay, click continue. Okay, select a campaign type. Campaign type in the Google Ads are different way you can advertise on the Google network. There are several different campaign types available, including search. The search campaign type is focused on the text-based ads that appear in Google search results. These are triggered by a specific keyword related to your product or service, and they are designed to reach people who are actively searching for the product or services that you offer. Perform Max. The Perform Max campaign type is a newer and more advanced version of the search campaign type, designed to maximize your result with a combination of machine learning and manual optimization. This campaign type is focused on maximizing conversion, leads, or sales, and it's best for business that have a clear conversion funnel and are looking for a more hands-off approach. Display. Display campaign type is focused on image-based or video-based that appear on a website and other Google-owned properties, including YouTube. These ads are designed to reach a wide audience and increase brand awareness, and they can be a good choice if you are looking to build brand recognition or drive more traffic to your website. Shopping. The shopping campaign type is focused on product-based ads that appear in Google search results and other Google-owned properties. These ads are designed to reach people who are actively shopping for products like yours and may be more likely to make a purchase. Video. The video campaign type is focused on video ads that appear on YouTube and other video-based websites. These ads can be used to reach a wide audience, build brand awareness, and drive more traffic through your website or your channel. Discovery campaign is focused on image-based or video-based ads that appear in Google Discovery or personalized feed of news and content that appear on mobile device. These ads are designed to reach people who are actively exploring and discovering content on their mobile device, and they can be a good choice if you are looking to build brand awareness and reach a younger, tech-savvy audience. Each campaign type has its own unique feature and benefit, and the right type for your business will depend on your advertising goal and type of product or service that you offer. By choosing the right campaign type, you can ensure that your ads are reaching the right people and achieving the result you want. In this video tutorial, I'm going to choose the reach campaign type. And then click website visit. You can put your website URL in here and typing a campaign name. And then click to continue. Bidding is an important aspect of setting up a Google Ads campaign, as it determines how much you will pay for each click on your ad. If your focus is to get click on your ad, here are some key points to consider when bidding. First, set your budget. Before you start bidding, it's important to set your budget for the campaign. This will determine how much you can afford to spend on click, and it will help you to manage your costs and avoid overspending. Second, choose your bid type. There are several different bid types available in Google Ads, including cost per click (CPC), maximum cost per click (maximum CPC), and Enhanced cost per click (eCPC). CPC bidding is the simplest and most straightforward option, and it allows you to set a specific bid amount for each click on your ad. Third, decide on your bid amount. Once you have chosen your bid type, you need to decide on the bid amount you want to use. This will determine how much you will pay for each click on your ad. Keep in mind that higher bids may lead to more clicks, but they will also increase your cost. Fourth, monitor your performance. Once you have set your bid amount, it's important to monitor your performance and adjust your bid as needed. You can use the perform data available in your Google Ads account to see how your ads are performing, and you can just adjust your bid amount to improve your result. Fifth, consider the competition. Finally, it's important to consider the competition when bidding on Google Ads. If you are bidding on popular keywords, you may need to increase your bid to compete with other advertisers. Bidding is a complex and ongoing process. It's important to be strategic and patient when setting your bid. By following this tip, I can ensure that you are getting the best possible result for your Google Ads campaign and focusing on click to drive more traffic to your website. In this case, this tutorial, just maximum bid per click, I put $1. Later, if we already analyze, we can back here and change for the maximum CPC bids. Okay, then click next. Okay, this is an important part to actually make sure all your settings are set up correctly. What we are going to do is turn this off and turn this off. And the reason for that is if you had a low search volume, search network can definitely be worthwhile, and sometimes it's even a great way to expand the actual Google search result for even better result. But most of the time Google search network isn't as monitored as Google's organic search platform, and this means there is quite a bit more click fraud on it, and the actual results are always great. Sometimes they are great, but sometimes they are not. Most of the time they are not great, and that's generally one of the principles we follow, and we recommend normally not starting a campaign often with the search network enabled. Just because we don't find that the grid of result, can you A/B test us later on. Absolutely special if you have a low search volume, go right ahead with that, but for most campaign I don't think you need it, especially if your search volume is good. The next thing is a display network. This is absolutely awful, and I don't want to know any reason you would ever want to use this. If you want to display campaign, go ahead and make a display campaign with the display network. Here you are not going to have any control over it, and you are really just going to waste your money. I think leave it all and the actual automation up to Google. That's not what we want to do. You want to have some control over the display network. This is one of the things in Google that I absolutely despise, and really only one of the written and stone law I follow is I don't enable this is terrible. There is a lot of things in Google Ads I don't always agree with it, but this is one of the things almost every single person who in Google Ads can agree on display network is not good. I would disable this because it can waste your money. Again, if you want to display campaign, go ahead and make one of this, but make it separate, don't include in the actual search campaign. Okay, we are now in setting location. For setting location, you can choose enter another location. You can choose example, a country, city, region, or postal code. You choose country like United Kingdom. So in here you can see how much your ads can reach, or you can choose ad sponsors. In here now you can enter another location, or you can use a radius 20 mile. You can put here you can choose in here London, UK as a target location in 20 mile. Okay. Now we choose country, United States. Google Ads also provide a feature called location targeting method that let you choose between people in or regularly in your targeted location, or target location, or people searching for or who shown interest in your target location. This setting determines whether your ads will show to people who are physically located in your targeted location, or to people who are searching for information about those locations, regardless of their physical location. You should choose the present people in or regularly in your targeted location. If you choose a present or interest people, it could be that these people don't live in location that your target but have interest in your product or your services. So I suggest you should choose present people in regularly in your targeted location. By setting your location targeting to the United States, you can ensure that your ads will be shown to people within the United States who are searching for the product and services that you offer. Okay, now language, your setting English, audience segment, because we are in first in creating ads, so I skip about the audience segment. And then more setting, ad rotation, I choose prefer best performing ads, and then start and end dates. If you are not regularly checking your campaign, I suggest to choose and using start and end date. Select date. You can choose 1 week from February the 7th. Okay, you choose 1 week. So if you using the start and end date, if your ads finish in the February 4th, so Google cannot charge your credit card for your ads. And you can add your schedule in here. You can put all day or only in the okay, and then choose next. Okay, next we want to make sure that our ads group are organized and focused on specific themes. This will help us to keep our keyword and ads tight and relevant to each other. Our goal is to have a high quality score, as this will result in a high click-through rate and lower cost per click. To achieve this, we will start by naming our ads group in a clear and concise manner. For example, in this case, we will name our ad group engagement rings online. This will allow us to easily keep track of our keyword and ads and ensure that they are all relevant to the themes of engagement ring online. Once we have named our ad group, we will then focus on selecting the right keyword and crafting the perfect ads copy to go along with them. We want to make sure that the keyword and ad copy are tightly related and will attract the right audience. This will not only result in a high quality score, but it will also help to increase our chance of attracting relevant traffic to our website. For those who are new to Google Ads, it's recommended to start with exact match. This involves enclosing your keyword in bracket. Exact match with enclosing with bracket, making it more specific. With this method, Google will show your ads more selectively, and you'll only appear for search that exactly match your keyword, while you may still appear for selected sources. The chances are significantly lower compared to using press or broad match. So in this case, I will erase exact match. Is a great way to avoid wasting money, especially if you are just starting. On the other hand, if you have some experience with Google Ads, you can try using PressMatch or ExactMatch and PressMatch. However, it's generally recommended to stay away from broad match as it can be too lenient and result in irrelevant click. If you are having a trouble generating source volume, you can use broad match, but for most campaign is not recommended. Now we are going to scroll down here to our ads, and we are going to type in your final URL in here. This is where we actually want to send our traffic. I generally recommend using a landing page, as this convert as much a higher rate than a normal website. However, it's up to you where you send your traffic. What we want to do here is for display page is actually enter your keyword in here, engagement ring and diamond ring. I want to make this as similar to our target keyword as possible for this ad group, and put in here engagement ring. Okay, describe your ads description. This is where you can provide more detail on your offering and highlight the benefit of your engagement ring online service. Just like the headline, you want to make sure that your description reflect the keyword engagement ring online as closely as possible. You can start by mentioning the keyword in the first sentence and then going into detail about the feature of your ring, the quality of your diamond, and any other selling point that you want to emphasize. Include a strong call action such as shop now for the perfect engagement ring or find your dream ring online today. You can also mention any promotion or discount that you have available or any guarantee that you offer to customer. It's also a good idea to use sentence case for your description, as this is easier to read and can help to engage the reader. With your headline and description written, you are well on your way to creating a strong and effective Google Ads campaign for engagement ring online. You can see Google give a idea. You can click here. They are offering for optimal perform, include this keyword in your headline. Put in here your keyword. You can put call to action like contact us or and Google is going to cycle all of this headline. By the way, it's going to just keep testing and testing until you find that work is well. What I like doing here is adding a whole bunch of call action to get a free get a free quite now, and let them know what's going to happen after they actually click on your ad. Are they going to get quiet? Are they going to schedule assessment? What is going to happen? That's good to do. For description, the actual description, what we want to do is here give them more reason to buy, and also end it up with call to action. So alright, just went ahead and fill this ad description. You can put another description. You can fill everything in here based on Google Ads requirement, and make sure you have a good ad strength with the Google guidance and get a good score, and fill in here and all already checks. Okay, after that we scroll down and click done. And then click next. Okay, this is a Google Ads recommendation budget, 29.60 recommended. But this is only a bit. You can set your custom budget to get more click. Let's say $70, 20 cents. Or you can back to recommended by Google Ads. Set. And then hit next. Okay, you can review your campaign and check all your campaign. After that, click publish to your campaign. Okay, thank you for joining us for this tutorial on Google Ads or Google AdWords for beginner. We hope that you have learned the basic of how to get started with Google Ads and how it can benefit your business. By using Google AdWords, you have the ability to reach a large targeted audience, increase your brand visibility, and drive target traffic through your website. Remember that Google Ads is a complex platform and there is always room for improvement. We recommend that you continue to learn and optimize your campaign your campaign over time, whether you are a small business owner or marketer. You can use Google Ads to reach your goal and achieve a success. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Stay tuned for more tutorial, and then make sure you hit the subscribe below button this video so you don't miss any upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.